Heart so light, yeah, I'm feeling free. Good vibrations surrounding me. Steady climbing, that's the prophecy. Every step I take, destiny. Ooh, I feel it rising. Peace in my soul, no hiding. Life on a wave, I'm gliding. Sun in my heart, still shining. Ooh, I feel it rising.
Hey everyone, how are you doing? So girl, it is currently 1:26 in the morning. Your girl is about to clean. Before we get into cleaning, I want to say my house is a mess, okay? Like, it's terrible right now and I cannot stand it. I can't lay down knowing when I wake up I'm gonna wake up to a hot mess, right? And what I'm about to show you all, don't even ask how it got like this. I have a 2-year-old toddler now. You know what? Peyton just turned 2 March 26th, by the way. I was finna call her a 1-year-old, but she's 2 now. But anyways, my baby didn't show at this house, honestly. And she's not the only one to blame. But my husband on night shift and he gets home about 7:30ish. I might cook him like some connected sausages or some red hot sausages so that he can eat with some bread. I don't know, but I'm about to cook him something now so he'll have something to eat when he get home, right? Because I can almost guarantee you, when I lay down, I will not be getting back up at no 7 a.m. cooking breakfast. I'm just saying. But anyways, girl, let's get to cleaning. But I'm gonna show y'all how it's looking right now. All right, this is how bad this house is looking, y'all. So this is the dishes that I have. This is what I've been drinking tea out of, right? I cooked grits this morning. I gotta get rid of that. I have some trash here from when I was cooking this morning. Anyways, there's Peyton's breakfast bowl that she had this morning. Matter of fact, we could put this in here. Okay, this is the table. This is Peyton. See what I'm saying? Like, I'm trying to talk. We got cookie crumbs. We got trash. We got, okay, but anyways, like I was saying, this has to go outside. But I'm not finna promise you that I'm about to take this outside right now. Although the trash can is right by the door. Anyways, I gotta put this mat in the sunroom because I worked out earlier. Payne got some chips right there. Oh yeah, I forgot, y'all. We got a new couch. Forgive me for the blinds, baby. I know. And forgive me for my hair because, yeah, my mom supposed to help me take my hair out Sunday. Let me tell y'all. So we got a new couch, right? At first, we didn't like it, but then it grew on us and we were like, you know what, we're gonna keep it. Then we decided, okay, we're about to upgrade our home. Anyways, I was like, if we're gonna be here, we might as well make it a home, right? Because at one point we would always say, this ain't our forever home. Like I said, while we're here, we may as well make it a home, right? I'm actually about to show y'all what we plan on doing to our house. So we plan on actually painting. So I ended up using ChatGPT. It's crazy how I be talking about one thing and end up on a whole different subject, but stay with me. Anyway, so I took a picture of, you know, all this and put it in ChatGPT. And we want to do the walls like a gray color, almost like the couch. We want to paint these brown. I'm gonna give y'all an idea. So that is the idea of how I want it to look. This is the kitchen, you know. And for, you know, aesthetic purposes, this is how I want to decorate. Okay. And kind of like there. So y'all get the gist. I'm not totally sure when we're gonna start, but just know that's the plan. It's not gonna always be like this, but we got lots of that we want to do. But getting back to cleaning, it's really just the kitchen and the living room. Honestly, I like to do a closing shift before I lay down. Yeah, let's get to it.
Stepping out, I'm moving in grace. Energy clean, no time to waste. Faithful, follow me, I'm in that place. Heart so light, I'm feeling free. Good vibrations surrounding me. Steady climbing, that's the prophecy. Every step I take, destiny. Ooh, I feel it rising. Peace in my soul, no hiding. Life on a wave, I'm gliding. Sun in my heart, still shining. Ooh, I feel it rising. Peace in my soul, no hiding. Life on a wave, I'm gliding. Sun in my heart still shining. So I rise and vibe, joy inside, blessings multiply. Most high by my side, rise and vibe, good life, no lie. Elevation sky high, watch me come alive. Saw breeze dancing through my head. I'm outside, no way, no care. Leveling up, I'm so aware. Everything I lost, he made it fair. Gave my worries, he took the load. Now my heart beating easy mode. Walking the light on this open road. Confidence strong, yeah, it shows. Ooh, I feel it growing. Grace in my steps still flowing. Every new door you showing. Blessings on blessings keep going. Ooh, I feel it growing. Grace in my steps still flowing. Every new door you showing. Blessings on blessings keep going. So I rise and vibe it. Rise up, joy inside it. Blessing multiply. Most high by my side it. Rise and vibe it. Good life, no lie. Elevation sky high. Watch me come alive it.
Okay, y'all, so we got the kitchen taken care of, got the appliances wiped down. I just don't know what I'm gonna do with them. I'm probably gonna drink the rest of it. That's why I got that plate on top of it. Now over here, I'm about to actually brush the couches off, and what I do is I take a wet rag and I just brush it out. It just makes sense in my head because I feel like I could just get more, you know, crumbs and stuff out the couch with a wet rag, if that makes sense. Okay, y'all, so this rag up here, this is the rag that I'll be using to wipe the couch down with. Golly, couldn't get it out. And I just take it, fold it like that, and just, you know. I don't know if y'all can see it on the camera, but there are crumbs from Peyton, honestly. Like, basically, I just get this thing and I just do like this. And to be honest, it just makes so much sense in my head because I have tried like just brushing the crumbs off with my hand, and it's like I just can't seem to get everything off just like that. So I mean, it don't leave the couch damp or wet or anything. Does that make sense to y'all? Every night I try to keep this couch wiped down. They like messed up our last couches so bad. And like if there's any spots on the couch, I just, you know, do like that with it. Or go wet it again and do that with it. But that's what I do.
I just wanna know where we go from here. I don't want this love to just disappear. Lord, I need you to feel this atmosphere. I need all your love. I need all your love. Covered in the blood, demons can't come near. You turn it all around when life looks severe. In my heart, I know that you're always here. I need all your love. I need all your love. I need your blessings. I need your blessings. My Lord, your blessings make me feel the way. I've got one question. I've got one question. My Lord, my question is, are you here to stay? I know that you will, 'cause you never fail. You direct me to paths that will prevail.
Okay, y'all, it's clean in here. Just put that in the corner. But yes, period. Paying. Okay, y'all, so my last task before I lay down is this kids' playroom. We turned their room into a playroom for right now. This is working perfectly for us. The kids having their own little area. Wow, we just want to chill sometimes. But girl, I'm finna show y'all. Boom. Looks a mess in here, right? Yeah, I know. We don't have anywhere to put those right now. Actually, we have a whole lot of places to put those cars, but Joe, we just don't want to put them there because he don't want like any bugs or creepy crawler things to get in there, and I agree. But for right now, they're just gonna stay there. So I'm gonna go ahead and clean this room real quick. It's currently 3:22. I believe Pepe is sleepy. That's why she was laying on the couch like that. Just don't care in the world, boo, but let's get this done. But she wanna come in here now since I came in here. Go, 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 mama. Go, 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 mama. Yay, 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 yay.
Go, go, go.
Woo! Okay, now help me pick up these toys, please. Can you help mommy pick up? Oh, good job. Good job, girl. Move this over here. Pick up your toys. Put it in there. Put it in there. Y'all see my wallet thing is in here. They just be taking stuff, man. Pick up your toys. Pick up your toys. Pick up. Good job. Good job. Come on. You ain't done, girl. Come on.
Yay! Good job.
Put that in there. Put it in there. Yeah, thank you. I just gotta vacuum and I will be done, okay?
Now put out the toy now.
Looks 10 times better in here, girl. Come on, Peyton. Come on, girl. Get up! Ticka, 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 ticka. Ticka, 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 ticka.
So what? I heard you telling her a couple times. Tell me, was it too young? Tell me, is it a crime to fall in love?
Hey guys.
What you talking about? My bad.
Oh, I think that's our food. Is that our food? Oh, that's our food. Thank you.
Hello?
Let's get a little taste here. This looks delicious. I'm happy I did get this. Oh my gosh. Thank you, Lord, for this food. I paid you blessed. It is the horns of our body. Is it good? Yeah, every time we come to a Mexican restaurant, that's how Joe would get quesadillas. Yo, are both of them the same? So excited.
You trying to call me? You need something to do with that car, that truck, or that old. You want to tell me better?
Wanna try it? 10 out of 10. It's way better than the one I had last time. We just about ate all of these chips, y'all. We just be finding stuff to do. We're in the gym, like literally. I wanted to get some cardio in anyway. We found this. I don't know what we can do with this. Some type of workout, honey. So about to run bleachers.
Going over, coming down, and then come around, come back, do it again. 7 laps like that. But you don't be doing that. Did you want to?
Fringes swinging when the feast day hit. Set apart, no well in this. Perm joy, yeah, we live in that script. Read the book, we legit like this. Blow them trumpet Memorial Day. No Gregorian, we count y'all's way. Tabernacles, we camp and we praise. Dedication, we light up the flame. Ain't no shame in the war we choose. Turn up time when the moon brand new. We celebrate what the world refuse. King on high, that's the biggest proof. Yeah,
Why you laughing?
What we do?
Down back.
Did a 33.
What is that?
Down back 3 times. Then,
So first, down back.
yep.
We're not racing.
to a thing. Royal blood, what you thought this is. Holy nation, all praise as a motivation. New moon lit, no hesitation. We keep commandments, elevation. Feast that tongue, dedication. Striving for the truth, no imitation. All night vibe, celebration. Chosen one, no replacement. Chosen one, no replacement.
Well, you guys, it's 10:47 and we just got done. I burned over 200 calories.
You think they gonna get a bound for that like that?
For what?
A Final Four thing? You think Deaton gonna get one of those?
We should. That was like 2021.
I wonder what they gonna put it at.
Tonight was a great night. It made me confident and motivated to come back again. How would you rate tonight?
To my 10,
Yeah.
that's probably like 8. Cause see, you had me running. For real, that's probably like, what you said it was? What you think?
I think it's good. Like,
I'm saying out of 10, what you think?
why you say 8?
I said 8 because I wasn't as tired, probably as tired as you were.
Oh yeah, I was tired. I was feeling good. I thought I was tired.
What?
I was feeling good. I thought I was tired.
I ain't know what you.
What did it sound like I said?
I was feeling good after I was tired. What? Yeah, me thinking I was tripping.
It was good cardio. We needed that after we just ate.
Your toenail hurt?
Yeah, but I didn't bring my slides. I knew I was forgetting something. Anywho, let's see how many steps I got today. 10,035. I closed my rings.
We're gonna go home and take a shower
Yeah, I want to sit on the couch.
and talk.
Yeah,
Talk about now.
yeah.
Do something at the same time.
We gonna probably sleep good tonight. But I love y'all and see y'all in the next vloggy vlog.